This one's from Auntie, Uncle, and Cousin Saito.
I don't remember what the candy package was.
Nope, this is from Tumalia, just from Hana.
Oh, just from Hana, sorry.
It's a cousin to cousin. Ooh.
Yeah, we're waiting to open ours.
Good job. Thank you.
Good girl.
Keep tearing right here.
It's too neat. Say, Dad, I already found what I wanted. What is that? Is that a finger puppet?
Rudolph's First Christmas.
Is that must be from Richard then?
Uh-huh.
No, it's from Hana.
Wow.